Hey everyone, welcome back to Drilling Nerd. Today we are going to talk about woodworking without spending a lot of money. We will look at 10 amazing tools all under $30 that will make your projects better. Here are the tools, why they are great and how they can help beginners. Tape measure. This is your key to accurate cuts. Find one with clear numbers so you can don't mess up measurements. It's like a super ruler that helps you plan and build your project precisely. Marking pencil. A pencil with a sharpener built in helps you make clear marks on wood. No more dull pencils. This tool makes sure your lines are always easy to see, saving you time and preventing mistakes. Square. This tool helps you make perfect 90-degree angles, which is important for straight cuts and strong joints. It's your guide to building things that are straight and sturdy, like bookshelves or picture frames. Handsaw. A classic tool for cutting wood. Choose one with a sharp blade for easy, clean cuts. A good handsaw gives you control for both rough and detailed work. Clamps. Clamps hold pieces of wood together when you are gluing, drilling, or sawing. Start with a small clamp. They come in different sizes and styles to hold various pieces of wood together securely. Chisels. Use chisels to clean out holes or add detailed touches to your project. They come in different sizes for different jobs. They help you shape and clean wood precisely. Contour gauge. This tool copies odd shapes, easily saving you time. It helps you fit wood around things like pipes perfectly by copying the exact shape onto your wood. Angle finder. This tool helps you set exact angles on saws or jigs, no more guessing angles. It ensures your cuts are precise and your joints fit well. Drill and bits. A drill and bits are essential. Start with a basic drill and some common bits for various tasks. They help with everything from making holes for screws to larger holes for joints. Staple gun. Great for quickly fastening light materials like fabric or thin wood. It's faster and easier than using nails for tasks like attaching upholstery or securing thin wood pieces. There you go, 10 great tools all under $30 to help you with woodworking. Hit that subscribe button, check out our website for more tips, tricks, and project ideas.